The sliders are working. I don't know, I can't really get it on camera, but I'll try. Oh, it's hard. Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna go ahead and install the sliders on Brian's new seats on his RX-7. Just check out this great quality cutting. It's actually my first time trying to install the wide body kit. Stay tuned for more of that. That's the slider for both. Brian got two of them, so obviously driver and passenger. So let's get these installed. Also, another thing, guys, sorry for the huge mess. It's been a clutter in here. I've been painting the walls and getting rid of the teal. I'm almost done, but I need to get a ladder and then start painting the top half. That's why like all the shelves are smoothed out of the way and pushed forward, and once we get all this teal painted, it's gonna look so much nicer in here. So first things first, I gotta remove the 4 bolts that are on the seat that hold the seat to the actual bracket. Brackets off the seat. So now I'm gonna get to installing the sliders. So looking at the slider, it has these notches right here, which is where the actual handle goes in. So it'll be like this notch here. Let me see here. Oh, there goes that. This hole right there goes in here, and then it'll sit in here, like so. And then obviously the other slider here. I am having an issue mounting these to the actual seat just because you have really no room to get a bolt in there. So what I did is I actually got the slider, get the handle, put it in there, got it loose, and then slid it back. So now I have that hole exposed, and then I'll bolt it there, and then slide this forward so I can expose the bottom hole, and then bolt it down there. I need now to bolt the actual slider to the bracket. So hopefully it's plug and play, it's not a pain in the ass, but most likely it will be. It matches here, here, and then down here is gonna have to go a little bit up, and it'll match right there. And same goes on that side. The sliders are working. I don't know, I can't really get it on camera, but I'll try. Oh, it's hard. That's all the way back, and obviously it can go much forward. But now Brian has adjustability since he is pretty tall for his car. And it also gave the seat some height, so I can put the plastic cap that was in the way here, I can put that back so this looks nice and clean and it's not exposed. I'm gonna go ahead and install the sliders on the passenger seat. I'm gonna do a time lapse of that right now. That was a pain in the ass. So passenger seat is in. Let's check it out. Passenger seat is good to go. Looks really good. You guys are probably wondering why I installed the sliders on Brian's car, because obviously it's not my car. Well, thing is, his sliders came in, and unfortunately Brian lost his keys, so he was running a little late. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna surprise him. Also, another thing, guys, this is gonna be a short video. Unfortunately, it is my birthday today, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the day off a little early, you know, relax, you know, hang out with friends and family. And I do want to talk to you guys a bit about my plans for my FRS. Right now, I'm really looking forward to either getting coils or airbags. I really want to get the bags, but they are really expensive. For the coils, I am looking to go with Fortune Auto, the 500 series, I believe that's what they are. The bags, 100% airlift all day. Now the thing is, I'm kind of iffy on the airbags. I've never installed airbags. I definitely don't have a lot of experience with airbags, and my fear is like the, you know, like hoses ripping, air leaks. I can only imagine there's gonna be some problems with going with bags, but the thing is, you know, if there's a speed bump in front of you, you can always just lift the car up, go over it, no problem, and not have to worry about scraping your lip or your exhaust. And also, I do plan on going wide body. So, you know, airing out the car and slamming it to the floor and having like bitchin' fitment looks so good. So I really don't know where I want to go with either coils or airbags yet. Regarding the body kit, I really like the Pandem kits, the V2 and the V3. But the thing is, I'm kind of stepping away from that just because there's so many FRSs that have the Pandem kits. And I kind of want to be a little different. I am looking towards the aim gain body kit. I love that front bumper, that like Lexus LFA look. It looks so good on the FRS. Another kit, I believe it's Lean, V-L-E-N-E. Like they're strictly from Japan. They have a few kits for the FRS, I believe like 2 or 3. They have that, like that kit's pretty bitchin'. And I also did find a new kit. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it is on the FT86 website. It's probably the only kit that they have for sale. That kit, I actually came across it on the website and I really like it. But besides that, I'm really indecisive on what kit I want. Maybe I can like mix and match Rocket Bunny with aim gain and, you know, just something different. I'm gonna try to be a bit more unique. Wheels, I don't know which wheels yet. There's so much to pick and choose from for the FRS. If I do go wide body soon, then obviously I'm gonna go with 3-piece wheels. Most likely from Password JDM. You know, obviously I'm gonna do a flex fuel kit, go E85, get a tune, push some horsepower, get headers and the overpipe, get that so it's catless. Oh, I do plan on getting like the new Buddy Club taillights I just released. Those are pretty badass. And then I also do have my quick release steering wheel, bucket seats, harness, roll cage, like all that miscellaneous stuff. But right now I really want to get my car lowered on bags or coils, and then from there jump onto the body kit and wheels. So that's where I'm at right now with my my car. I'm gonna go ahead and announce our giveaway, our YouTube giveaway winner for this video, which is, so congratulations to you. Go ahead and please email us and give us your address and shirt size, and we'll get that package to you right away. Another thing, guys, we all appreciate all the love and support you guys are giving us. Please go ahead and give us that like, subscribe, post, you know, turn on your notifications, share our videos with all your friends and family. We definitely need more viewers. We're putting a lot of time and effort and a lot of hard work into creating content for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I know I'm gonna enjoy my day. I'm 26 years old now, so that's that. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.
Everything I drop flame.